Between 1675 and 1854, entire villages were swallowed by the shifting sands. The so-called dead dunes still obscure those lost settlements. We are on the Curonian Spit, a sand dune peninsula that separates the Curonian Lagoon from the Baltic Sea. In 1991, it was established the Curonian Spit National Park. During our raid, we spotted the deer and the fox. This 5-meter-high sculpture symbolizes a place of eternal rest. Pervalka Cemetery was founded in 1845. On the Lithuanian side of the peninsula, you'll find 50 kilometers of beautifully white sand. Since many years I've been dreaming about riding the bicycle along this peninsula. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site shared by Lithuania and Russia. This time I visited only the Lithuanian part, taking the ferry from Klaipėda. In the comments and in the description you'll find the commute track and the Relive video. Now I leave you with some action. Enjoy!